Horsewood Supplement is marketed as a formula that supposedly boosts men's vitality, improves energy, enhances performance, and supports overall wellness. But the real question is, does it actually improve men's vitality? Now, to be fair, some ingredients commonly found in men's wellness supplements, such as ginseng, zinc, maca, ashwagandha, or herbal extracts, have been studied for potential effects on energy and general well-being. But that does not automatically mean dramatic results. What it does well may contain ingredients with some research behind them. Certain ingredients used in men's wellness products have been studied individually, easy to add into a daily routine. Supplements are generally simple and convenient to take. Where the hype falls apart, it will not instantly transform energy or performance. This is the biggest issue. Supplements rarely create dramatic overnight changes. Results vary heavily between people. Age, sleep, stress activity level, and overall health can all influence outcomes. Research can be mixed. Some ingredients show limited or inconsistent evidence. So, does Horsewood Supplement improve men's vitality? Short answer, possibly to a limited extent. It may provide modest support depending on the ingredients and the person using it. But expecting major changes from the supplement alone is likely unrealistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.